What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it is all about this cryptocurrency here called Mirror Protocol, also known as MIR, which has been pumping today guys. As you can see, a huge green candlesticks, and it has gone up nearly 37% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.68. And obviously whenever we see a huge green candlestick, what does that mean? It has had a major increase in value, which is exactly what's happened. And the best thing is it wasn't even in the last 24 hours. It was probably, I'll say, in the last 5 to 6 hours is when it has managed to gain a huge percentage in value. So what is the reason for that? How long will it last? Will it drop back down in value? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? A lot of different questions have been asked in my DMs, so I'm going to try and get through as many as possible in this video. But before I get into all of that stuff, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So MIR is at the top of the list, the top gainer in the last 24 hours. Again, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And just to make it clear, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 winners, so 3 lucky winners are going to be winning some cryptocurrencies. I thought, you know what, let me increase the chance of every single one of you winning a little bit higher, so that is why I chose 3 winners. But make sure to follow me on Instagram, because that is where more details will be revealed regarding the giveaway. Anyways, so it was fluctuating at around the $1.17 for most of the day, until it hit about 9:45 a.m. this morning, where it decided to go for a peak here, another peak, and another peak. It keeps going up in value. Over the week it has gone up 27%, and over the month 28%. It's been very volatile, up and down. We can see peaks, dips, and currently going back up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 665% in the last 24 hours, meaning a lot more people are investing, selling, more traders. And I just refreshed the page and it's gone up to 761% now. So as I'm recording this video, more and more people are trading this crypto, meaning it's getting a lot more hype, a lot more attention. And as we can see here, we've got massive 61% buy against 39% sell, meaning way more people are investing into it than selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. So here we've got the candlestick pattern chart, and we've also got the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at $1.32. However, it is trading at $1.68, meaning it is performing very well at the moment. It is overperforming, and the only bad thing about that is obviously this is the average value, so it is overvalued at the moment. So it's very likely, very likely that it's going to drop back down in value over the coming hours, but we'll get into that very shortly. So yes, I've got some lines drawn here, but we're going to get into that a little bit later in the video. Let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So here, each candlestick here represents 30 minutes. That means it's been going up in a consistently for the last, let's have a look here, 1 to nearly 3.5 hours. It has been going up in value quite consistently, which is very good. As you can see, it all started at about 119 and at the moment sitting at 170, and over the next couple of hours we should expect more increases in value. We can see the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming hours. But as I mentioned earlier, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in value in a short amount of time, exactly like this one here, it will come back down in value, and it will take a slight breather, which is exactly what's likely to take place. So even though you may see it going up in value, it has to come back down. It will probably go down to about 150 to 140 towards the end of the day and early tomorrow, and probably go back up in value over the next couple of days after that. But bear in mind that, you know, I've seen a lot of people, because they see a crypto going up in value, they invest into it more than they can afford to lose, and that is very risky, especially when a crypto is pumping. It's likely that it's going to come back down. If we wait a few hours, we would see it coming back down. So moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? We are still looking bullish, still looking positive. The only reason why the lines are so bullish and so steep like this is because it's taken a huge peak in value in a short amount of time. So the graph thinks is going to keep going that way, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. But that is not the case. Over the coming days, do expect it to calm down a little bit and probably sit at around about 140 to 145, or it may even go down to 130 over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about towards mid next week, towards the end of next week, do expect this crypto to take a little dip. Moving on to the main chart, the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We still got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line going in a positive direction. So hopefully over the long term, so mid-April to late April, we should hopefully see quite of an increase in value on this crypto, and hopefully going past the $2 mark towards the end of April. However, these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that could have a potential effect on the value of Mirror Protocol. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and focus on these lines that I have drawn. So obviously the highest it's ever been to is right now. That is where the yellow line is at the moment. The resistance level, or the middle bit, let's say, is indeed the red line, which is at about, let's have a look, 141. And obviously the lowest point that it has been to average was $1.09. So at the moment it is at its peak at the moment. So obviously it's reached this target. So obviously the next target is to come back down to 140, 141, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So do expect it to drop back down in value, and once it reaches this target, obviously it's going to fluctuate up and down, but more than likely it is going to fluctuate at the price range of where the red line is, which is 141. However, the lowest it could potentially go to is $1.09 over the coming weeks, and if it does manage to break out or below this purple line here, there is a chance of it having a major dip. But again, I'm going to be keeping an eye on not just Mirror Protocol, but all the cryptos that I cover on this channel. I keep an eye on them, and any any news or any predictions that I have that could have a major breakout in a positive or negative way, I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my Instagram and YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my predictions, and a lot of people have been asking me, can it hit a new all-time high? Personally guys, it is quite far off from its all-time high when it hit $12.85. This was earlier on in 2021, just about a year ago. It hit an all-time high, and at the moment I am not expecting it to go all the way there anytime soon. Maybe second or Q4 of 2022 maybe, but I highly doubt it. But again, I'm going to keep you guys updated on a regular basis to see what's likely to take place for this crypto. But at the moment it is going to fluctuate around the $2 to $3 mark over the next couple of months. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Mirror Protocol. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subs as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I'll catch you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.